Wonderful Wolves by Justin McCrory Martins. Wonderful Wolves. Table of Contents. Chapter 1, Meet the Wolf. Chapter 2, Wolf Pack. Chapter 3, Senses and Skills. Chapter 4, Wolf Pups. Glossary and comprehension questions. Chapter 1, Meet the Wolf. Fairy tales are full of big, bad wolves. Wolves are big, but they are not bad. Wolves are beautiful. Wolves are smart. Wolves are wonderful. Fast fact: wolves cooperate with other wolves to survive. Do you think wolves and dogs look alike? They are both from a family of animals called canines, but wolves and dogs are also very different. Dogs are tame animals. They like living with people. Wolves are wild animals. They are living outside where they can run free. Wolf, dog. Comparison chart. Wolves, wild animals. Dogs, pets. Wolves live outside. Dogs live in houses. Wolves afraid of people. Dogs like people. Wolves do not do tricks. Dogs do tricks. This is a wolf's footprints. A wolf's footprints look like this. There are many kinds of wolves in the world. They can be big or small. They can be gray, black, white, or red. Most wolves live in North America, Europe, and Asia. Wolves are like the wilderness. They like cold places that are far away from cities. Gray, black, white, red. The red shows where wolves live in the world. Chapter 2, Wolf Packs. Wolves live in groups. These groups are called packs. There are about eight wolves in a pack. The wolves in a pack need to work together. They cannot talk like people, but wolves have other ways to communicate. A wolf pack hunts for food. The leader of a pack is called an alpha wolf. Ow! Wolves howl so they can find one another. Howling is like a phone call. It helps wolf packs stay together. Wolves also communicate with body language. An angry wolf will flatten its ears and show its teeth. A wolf that wants to play will do a little dance. Wolves make other sounds, including barks, growls, and yelps. Two wolves play. Chapter 3, Senses and Skills. Look at this wolf's snout. Wolves are super duper smellers. A wolf's sense of smell is 100 times stronger than a human's. When wolves meet, they smell one another. Sniffing is like shaking hands. Wolves can even use their sense of smell to tell if another wolf is in a good or bad mood. This is a snout. Three wolves greet one another. Wolves are called carnivores because they eat meat. They have powerful jaws and very sharp teeth. Wolves hunt together and share their food. Most wolves eat about 5 pounds of meat a day. Fast fact: wolves have 42 teeth. List: wolf food: deer, mountain goats, elk, moose, rabbits. Chapter 4, Wolf Pups. A mother wolf has 4 to 6 babies at once. They are called pups. Pups are usually born in the spring. A mother wolf makes a home for her pups. This is called a den. A den can be a hole in the ground or a cave. A mom and her pup are safe in their den. When pups are about 3 weeks old, they can go outside. Pups love to play. They wrestle and chase butterflies. They even play with toys like feathers. Pups also love to howl. At first, they sound squeaky, but they practice by copying adult wolves. Wolf pups are playful, just like children. Ow! The pups grow and grow. They learn how to howl. They learn how to hunt. After a while, it is time for them to join their very own pack. Ow! Fast fact: most wolves join their own pack when they are 1 to 3 years old. Glossary: Alpha wolf, the leader of a wolf pack. Canine, the family of animals that includes wolves and dogs. Carnivore, an animal that eats meat. Cooperate, to work together. Den, a home for wolf pups. Howl, to make a loud, sad noise. Pack, a group of wolves that live together. Snout, the front part of an animal's head, including its nose, mouth, and jaws. Tame, trained to live with people. Wilderness, an area of wild land. Bonus wolf facts. A wolf's canine teeth can be 2 inches long. Most wolves live to be 6 to 8 years old. Wolf packs can travel more than 100 miles in one day.